Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA. In a clear indication of its expanding global ambitions, India is flexing its naval prowess in international waters with anti-piracy patrols and large-scale deployment of warships close to the Red Sea to protect merchant ships from drone attacks in the backdrop of Israel's war with Hamas. India has now deployed over 10 frontline warships with marine commandos in the region stretching from the North and Central Arabian Sea to the Gulf of Aden, further stepping up its naval presence to show the flag and deter piracy and drone attacks. These unprecedented enhanced maritime security operations are being conducted independently by India, which has refrained from joining the US-led multinational operation Prosperity Guardian, which was launched in the Red Sea in December. Regular ISR missions are being flown by P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft and unarmed MQ-9B Sea Guardian drones in association with Drishti-10, which are capable of providing live feeds of high-resolution imagery with their electro-optical and other advanced sensors. The warships deployed by India include guided missile destroyers like INS Kolkata, INS Kochi, INS Chennai and INS Murmagao, as well as multi-role frigates like INS Talwar and INS Tarkas. The Navy and the Indian Coast Guard are also closely coordinating the enhanced surveillance of the country's exclusive economic zones. The Navy's Information Management and Analysis Center, which takes feed from the multiple sources ranging from coastal radars to the satellites to assess threats in the Indian Ocean region in the Information Fusion Center located in Gurugram. It showed India can mount credible naval presence in the Indian Ocean region when required at short notice. Beijing and New Delhi are vying for the influence across the Indian Ocean, and India has previously deployed patrols to the disputed South China Sea and Western Pacific. India has also expanded its forces into the Arabian Sea at a time when rival Asian power China has been more cautious in its response, given its worry of not upsetting its recently developing ties with the Arab world. In a strategic move to address the escalating Red Sea crisis, the Indian Navy units, which already have mission-based deployments in key areas of interest in the Indian Ocean region, are being deployed off Djibouti, Gulf of Aden, and in the North and Central Arabian Sea of the east coast of Somalia. For decades, India has focused its defense policy on its land borders with rivals Pakistan and China. Now, as its global ambitions expanded, it is beginning to flex its naval power in international waters, including anti-piracy patrols and a widely publicized deployment close to the Red Sea to help protect ships from attacks during Israel's war with Hamas. India is widely publicizing these deployments, signaling its desire to assume a wider responsibility in maritime security to the world and its growing maritime ambitions to the regional rival China. As the Indian base in the Agaliga Island is almost complete, ISR assets of the Indian Navy will be operating from this new naval base, giving Indian Navy a formidable presence and a staging ground in the middle of the Indian Ocean. In addition to that, US State Department has recently cleared the transfer of 31 MQ-9B drones to the India, from which 15 of these highly capable birds will be transferred to the Indian Navy, which will enhance the recon capabilities of India by many-fold. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe our channel. Jai Hind.